Have a cigar. Everybody is a star. Have a cigar. Just get your puffing up to par. Let me be blunt. You can smoke it right up front, west of Del Rey. Just let a big man lead the way. They'll be selling, you'll be smelling. Have a cigar. Have a cigar. Just don't smoke it in my car. Take it outside. Don't be stinking up my ride. Some smell okay. Just keep it outside anyway. A lady might puff if she's really man enough. They'll be selling, you'll be smelling. Have a cigar. Anatilla, you're a smart, successful fella, fine and mellow, but your teeth are turning yellow. Chipperillo, watch those smoke rings start to billow. George Burns was the man, he just held it in his hand. Have a cigar. You'll be blowing lots of smoke. Have a cigar. Watch that singer start to choke. Have a cheroot. Long, slender, kinda cute.